Hey, you. Hey, listen, it's your boy Layla once again topping, and you feel me? Today I'm about to hit South Beach. You know, it's spring break in Miami at that, you feel me? So I was known about to go crazy. I got a banger ass idea today, you feel me? I'm about to be going around the beach telling us, hey, listen, man, rate my voice from 1 to 10, you feel me, before you see my face. It's a little twist to you feel me? I got my boy there, his name Jay, you feel me? Clout6J on TikTok, Clout6J on Instagram, you feel me? That boy official, he a comedian. He got a little bald head, so I'm about to basically be like, hey, yo, rate my voice. Then when they turn around, me and my dog, we go switch place. He got a bald head, so my dog will be smelling like this. Yeah. Before they get their live reaction, man, that's how this shit go. This shit could be a bang if it go as planned in my head. Hey, listen, man, we go. Are we back at it again, man? We here with?
Mayana.
We here with?
Winter.
That was how old you at?
19.
How old are you?
18.
Hey, listen, man, they little girls having the time of their life, you feel me? Where y'all from?
Maryland.
Y'all from Maryland?
Yeah.
Baltimore or like?
No. Fuck no.
I'm saying, do y'all got that? You ain't a little girl? You gotta show me that. Hey, but listen, dude, do y'all got the same accent in Baltimore? Y'all be like two?
No. I say two.
How you say it?
Two.
How you say that? Yeah. Hey, listen, before we start, rate my voice from 1 to 10. Keep it 100.
8.
What about you?
8.5.
I like that, you feel me? So like, I think my face will look like based off the sound of my voice.
Cause some people be cute as shit.
Yeah.
What has voices and then some people have cute ass voices be ugly as shit. So I really don't know. Period.
Give me a rate then.
A 5.
Alright, what about you?
A 7.
Alright, so listen, I'm gonna
Yeah, you gotta take your shit.
I'm gonna take my mask off, but listen. Y'all turn this way, I'm gonna take my mask off. When I say turn around, you go turn around.
Oh shit, they done let me in the door. They done gave your boy a chance, now the youngin' finna blow.
Man, shit they got serious.
Alright, y'all can turn around.
Oh!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Hey, we back at it again, man. We here with
Melissa.
What about you?
Kalani.
That was up, man. How old y'all at?
I'm 32.
You 32?
Yeah, I'm a full adult.
32, but you look 18. My black don't crack.
Thank you, appreciate that.
How old you is, ma?
I'm 21.
Oh, my Lord. Body of a goddess, you feel me? Before we start, rate my voice 1 to 10.
Say a sentence for me, a full sentence.
Come here, baby. I know you love me, baby.
Yeah, you see it, huh, baby?
I'm gonna give you a 6.7.
Man, you stupid.
Oh, Lord. What about you?
Wait, you said I said this to her.
Rate my voice 1 to 10.
Say something?
Come here, baby.
I give it a 7.
Huh?
A 7.
A 7?
A 7. What do I think your face is going to look like based on
Based
your
off
voice?
my voice, yeah.
I don't know. I mean, it looks like you've got good skin.
Yeah.
I think you'll be attractive if that's what you're asking.
Yeah, you see it, huh, baby?
From 1 to 10, give me a rate.
Ooh, that's so hard. I think you'd be between a 7.1 and a 7.9.
Huh? Oh, that was turn around, I'm gonna show you my face. Y'all can't be peeking now, man.
Oh shit, they done let me in the door. They done gave your boy a chance. Alright, y'all can turn around now.
Oh!
Hold on, wait. Y'all feel like you got something against bald head people. I mean, come on now.
Okay, that's not true. That's something against deceivers.
Yeah,
You
what?
are not the
I mean,
person
you look kind of shocked. Come on now.
That's not you.
They're not.
I look better than Shaquille O'Neal.
I'm gonna punch you right in your face, my guy. I'm telling you.
Unless you were just on stilts, you're not the same person.
Look, I'm 5'2" on my bad days, and I'm like 6 foot in the bed. You feel me? You know how it is. Push P.
And we back at it again, man. We here with.
Caroline, Jackie, Simone, Mila.
Where y'all from?
We're all from Virginia.
Virginia? That shit be cold there, huh?
Yeah. It's cold as
What bring y'all to my city?
spring break.
Rate my voice 1 to 10.
Speak something again. Say something again.
Say son, I'm gonna say, oh my God, we from Virginia.
This dude is a genius.
1 to 10.
You're 8. 7. Happy.
What about you?
I'm gonna say like a 7.
Okay. I think my face will look like.
His face.
Face?
Yeah.
Probably like an 8. I'm gonna give you an 8.
Yeah, I'll give you an 8.
Alright, so listen, y'all go turn around. I'm gonna take off the mask and y'all go see my face, alright?
Okay, bye.
Alright, back, turn around. No peeking now, man. Okay.
Oh shit, they done let me in the door. They done gave your boy a chance. Now we at the main event.
Oh, hold on, now, hold on. Oh.
That's not even your voice anymore.
Oh, hold on. Hey, look. I know I got a bald head, but it's easier for me to swim and y'all see, you feel me?
Push P.
So it's like, look, come on, now I'm trying to see what's going on with y'all. What's going on?
You out here catfishing and shit.
Bitch, I might be.
This is my brother. Listen, man, we go.
Man, shit ain't got serious.
Hey, listen, man, we back at it again, man. We here with
Asia.
Leah, Trinity, Jasmine, Tiff.
Hey, listen, man, where y'all from?
South Carolina.
Shit, so it be lit over there or nah?
Yeah.
Y'all twins, y'all making the same noises and all, the same sound effects, goddamn.
Period.
Before we start, rate my voice 1 to 10.
I was about a 9.
What about you?
A 10.
What about you?
10.
Yeah, 10. I give it a 10.
I like that, you feel me? None of y'all try me, I like that, you feel me? Before we start, rate my player bill, you feel me? Rate my player bill.
Can I give like some script behind it?
Yeah, go ahead.
You feel me? You slim, you know what I'm saying? You already know skinny niggas give that, yeah.
Welcome to the party.
Still got a little muscle.
No, I do my... How y'all think my face will look based off the sound of my voice from 1 to 10?
I think you're gonna be fine.
I'm gonna be fine? What about you, friend?
It's a little chocolate drop, little some slight,
Some slight?
little fine man.
What about you? Give me a rate.
I think you're gonna be, yeah. You gonna be alright.
Alright, what about you? I need numbers,
I
man.
think you might just be just right.
What about you?
It's giving,
Punani.
Give me a Hey, listen, man, turn around. I'm gonna have a ski match. Y'all give me a rate. Turn around. No peeking now, man.
Oh shit, they done let me in the door. They done gave your boy a chance.
All right, now let's get the party started, man. Y'all gotta turn around now.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yo, bitch, ain't it so hard? That shit like a scallop potato. Yo, bitch.
Lady, take it easy.
Hey, man, cut the camera.
Hey, we back at it again, man. We here with.
Zakaya.
Caitlin. Yes.
Where y'all from?
I'm from St. Louis.
DC.
DC.
So listen, man, if I go to DC, I'm gonna have me a place to stay. Let me know.
Nope.
Damn. What about you? I'm gonna have me a place to stay.
What'd you say?
If I go to DC, I'm gonna have me a place to stay.
You might not.
Damn. If I rate my voice 1 to 10 before you see my face.
Rate your voice.
Yeah, 1 to 10.
I'll give it a 6.
That's it. Damn. Rate my voice 1 to 10 before you see my face.
Can you say like a sentence for me?
Come here.
Huh?
Come here.
I said sentence, not
A
3
sentence?
words. Like,
Alright. I know you love me, baby. Stop fronting, baby. 1 to 10.
1 to 10, I'm gonna say it's a good 9.
Welcome to the party.
Nah. What about you, Mom? Rate my voice 1 to 10.
Like 7.
So how do y'all think my face will look like from 1 to 10?
I don't know.
Before you see my face, how you think it'll look like from 1 to 10 based off my voice?
Say 6. Same as the
Damn, how you think my face will look like before you see my face?
5.
A 5? Damn, what about you?
Where you're what?
How you think my face will look like based off my voice?
I can see.
That's what I'm saying. Give me a
5.
Man.
All you got. Hold up.
Come on, baby.